Hello, good morning to everyone. In last class, we have already learned in detail what is sum of zeros, what is product of zeros, okay, of the quadratic polynomial. Everyone know ax square plus bx plus c. It is a general form of quadratic polynomial. Now part number 4, dear. Part number 4. First question: 4u square plus 8u. It is a quadratic polynomial and we have to find its zeros. So first step, we have to arrange in descending order. They are already in descending order. Next step is always if we want to find their zeros, we will put equate to 0 plus 8u equal to 0. Now you are thinking, sir, you told us split the middle term. Which one is middle term? If I ask you what is a is here, dear, a is 4, b is 8 and c is 0. If there is nothing is given, you can add 0. So c means 0. Understand or not? Now you will split middle term, sum of two numbers. What is sum? 8. So m plus n is 8 and product first m into n, product is first and third. 0 into 4, 0 into 4, 0. Okay, so what sum of two number, what you will take? Otherwise you can find direct also. Look at, if you want to find factor 4u square, it is very simple, no need to split also, is equal to 0. What is common? 4 is also common and u is also common. Can you take 4 and u is common? What is remain here? 4, only u. Understand or not? And here 8 divided by 4, 2 plus 2 equal to 0. Again, product of two number is 0. Either first number 0, 4 into u equal to 0, or u plus 2 equal to 0. So 4 into some number is 0. It means u must be 0. Second, u equal to minus 2. So there is the two product. There is two zeros. When you will put in place of u, they become 0. Yes, in place of u, 0. 4 into 0, 0. 8 into 0, 0. No need to this one. Understand? So look at now. But now we have to also verify also. So verify. How will you verify? Ab dekho. Look at verify. Sum of zeros. So what is to write? Alpha plus beta. What is alpha and beta? 0 and so what is sum? 0 plus minus 2. Minus 2. So alpha plus beta you can write, if you want to write 0 plus minus 2. Otherwise you can write minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. How much? Coefficient of x. Coefficient of not x, because in place of x what is there? U. So you can write u and it is u square. Okay. Coefficient of u 8 divided by and minus also, and coefficient of u square 4. 8 divided by 4 2 and 1 negative 1 positive, answer should be must be negative. 0 plus minus 2. Okay, so you can write alpha plus beta equal to 0 plus minus 2. How much? Minus 2. It means sum of zeros with equal to this one or not. So always understand. The other next is alpha into beta. What is alpha into beta? Yes. What is alpha into beta? Constant term divide by coefficient of x square. Coefficient C by A. C is 0. Divide by any number. 0. And alpha into beta also you can. 0 multiply minus 2. It is also 0. It is your verify. Understand? So you have to solve all the part. Okay? So you have to only show that alpha plus beta. Either you will find by this method or by this method. They should be equal. Okay, please? Okay. Now any other part? Now look at fifth part. Fifth part also only I give hint and rest of do yourself. Okay. Now again t square minus 15. It is very simple. What we will do? T square minus 15. So it means put equal to 0. Okay. Understand? So what we will do? Coefficient of x square how much? T square 1. Coefficient of x not given. You can write t square plus 0 into t. 0 into t. 0 minus 15 equal to. Understand? Now what we will do? Split the middle term whose sum is 0. M plus n equal to 0 and m into n is first and last. Minus 15 into 1. How much? Minus 15. So you have to think two number whose product is minus 15 and sum is 0. What is this number? Do you know? So like this one, it is maybe some difficult become. Okay, whenever 2 is come, and we think, can you apply here? It is now it is formula of. Can you write? Do you remember? A square minus B square formula. A minus B into A plus B. Understand or not? So it is A square and 15 is the square of which number? 15 is the number of square of root 15 because root 15 square is always 15. Do you know? Equal to 0. Now A square minus B square. Write in exam also formula. A square minus B square equal to A minus B equal to A plus B. So A minus B. So T minus B is how much? Root 15 bracket closed. A plus B. T plus root 15. And again product of two number is 0. Either first 0 or second 0. If first is 0, T minus root 15 equal to 0. So T equal to root 15 and T plus root 15 equal to 0. So T equal to minus 15. So what is the two roots? Root 15 and minus root 15. Now we will verify. How will verify? Look at. So verify alpha plus beta is always, we will write minus coefficient of x, or what you can write, t. Coefficient of x you can write, or coefficient of x square. Okay, so it means, and here what is t, so you can write t. Okay, so coefficient of t, nothing is given, is 0. 0 divided by any number, 1 is 0. So alpha plus beta, देखो root 15 plus minus root 15, 0. Alpha plus beta, root 15 minus root 15, how much? 0. Understand or not? Same as it is alpha into beta, coefficient of not coefficient, constant term divide by coefficient of t square. Constant term c and t square. A, c is c minus 15 dear, and a is 1. So what is answer? Minus 15. You can check it. Alpha into beta equal to root 15 multiply minus root 15. Positive into negative, negative. Or root 15 into root 15. 15, yes, root 15 into root 15. It means root 15, x into x, x square. Root 15 into root 15, root 15 square. Root 15 square is x. Root 15 square is 15. So minus 15. In both cases, root. Understand it? So we have already verified it. So rest of part, do yourself. Now question number 2. Now question number 2. Find a quadratic equation. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. If we equate to 0, then it is become equation. Always remember, if any polynomial we put equal to 0, equate, if there is an equal sign, it is become quadratic equation. And if it is not equal to, only we will write simple, it is quadratic polynomial. Write a quadratic polynomial each with given number as the sum and product of its 0. Look at, we want to find quadratic polynomial. Every quadratic polynomial has 2 zeros. So sum of as the sum and product of its zeros. So it's mean, dear, sum and product. Sum of 2 zeros and product of 2 zeros are given. It's mean sum. First, what is sum? So it means alpha plus beta, because always 2 0, alpha and beta. Alpha plus beta is 1 upon 4. Next is alpha into beta equal to minus 1. Look at, but we want to make a quadratic polynomial. Everyone know. If you know what value of A, what value of B, what value of C, you can write easily. If I say A equal to 2, B equal to minus 3 and C equal to 5, and write a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, what is? Coefficient of x square. What is coefficient of x square? 2x square. In place of B, minus 3x and plus. It is quadratic polynomial. If we know A, B and A, C. So therefore, dear, we will using of alpha plus beta and alpha into beta, we will find A, B, C, and A, B, C we will put it here in general equation. Understand it? Because what is quadratic polynomial? We should know what is the coefficient of x square, coefficient of B, and constant term. If A, B, C are, it is quadratic polynomial. So therefore, by using of them, we will find A, B, C. Now look at everyone. If you want to find A, B, C, so we will using them. Look at. Alpha plus beta is 1 by 4. Its mean. What is alpha plus beta? Relation of coefficient. What is? Alpha plus beta is always minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Otherwise, you can write minus b divided by a, minus b by a. But alpha plus beta, dear, already given how much? 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4. It means a value 4. B value. How much b value? Minus. Very good. Minus 1. Why? We will write minus into minus 1 divided by 4. Why? Because minus into b, negative into negative, positive. We need here b is minus, but b is here positive. So positive is become negative into negative. So it means minus sign as it is, and b value minus 1. So b value we know, a value we know. Now what is remain? C. And C value we will find using alpha into beta. Alpha into beta, what is? constant term divide by, I already told you, batao, look, what is coefficient of x square divide by, otherwise you can remember c by a, c by a, and what is given? Minus 1. So what we will write minus 1? Tell me. In c by a form. So it means minus 1, it is 1, and minus 1 what we will write? C, what is c there? Minus 1. Minus 1 divided by 1. Minus 1. But dear, we observe that. Now you have to remember, it is very important. A is only one value or not? A is here is 4. A is here is 1. It is possible. There is the two value of A is possible. No, because A is both are same or not. So A should be same. Look at now what we will do. 6th class. In 6th class, fraction, equivalent fraction, we can multiply and divide numerator and denominator by same number. We know A is how much? 4. So we need here also 4. So multiply numerator and denominator. How it is become? It is 4. Multiply. So minus 1 into 4. 1 into 4. Minus 4 divided by 4. Now you understand or not? Dekho, look at A is 4. A is 4. Now it's okay. So A value 4. C value minus 4. B value. So therefore A equal to 4. B is how much? B minus sign as it is. Yes, minus. And what is B? Minus 1. And C is also minus 4. Okay. To write general form of quadratic polynomial. How much? What is general form? Ax square plus bx plus c. So what is A? 4x square. B minus 1x plus c minus. It is your answer. Understand? You can find its root also, and you will find whose sum come 1 by 4 and product is minus. You can verify also. Okay, we find its zeros and we will check it, sum is minus 1 by 4 or not. So note down it, same as it is all part of second question, you can do yourself. Okay, note down it everyone. Okay, so always remember dear, like this one we will find, because if you want to make a quadratic polynomial, we should know A, B, C. So A, B, C always, whenever sum and product and given, we will use them, their relation, and from here we will find B and A, B, C, and we will put in equation. Question rest of part as it is, you have to do yourself. One more part, look at now, note down it first. Now third part of second question. The sum is given 0 and product is root 5. So alpha plus beta is always minus b by a. We are using of a relation, same as it is first part. So b by a. So what is minus b by a? So what is alpha plus beta? Sum is how much? 0. Or 0, can you write 0 by 1? Why not? If it is, because sum of zeros how much given? 0. It is 0 and 0 you can write 0 by 1. It means B is 0, A is 1. Next, product is root 5. Constant term divided by coefficient of x square c by a. So what is root 5? And root 5 what you can write? Root 5 divided by 1. Now we observe that. Look at A is 1, A is 1. Both are equal. Which means no need to change. And listen dear, you can write 0 divided by 100 also. 0 divided by 100, 0. And root 5 divided by 1. But we need A is 100. So multiply here 100, here 100. So you can take any value, okay? Don't be confused, okay? So 0, A by 1, A by 1. So what is A value? 1. B value? 0. C value? Root 5. And what is answer? A value is 1. In place of A is 1. X square. Plus B is 0. 0 into X? 0. Plus C? Plus root 5. It is question like a first question, fifth part. T square minus 15. X square plus root 5. Understand it? So it is your answer. Any other part? Do you want to ask? Now, fifth part of the second question. The sum and product. Sum is minus 1 by 4. Product is 1 by 4. So sum. Everyone know alpha plus beta minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square minus b by a. And it is how much sum? Sum minus 1 upon 4. So what is value of a is dear here? Value of a is 4. B is 1 because this minus sign and b is 1. Okay. Next, alpha in product is 1 upon 4. What is difficult? Nothing. A is 4. A is 4. No need to change anything. A 4. B 1. C 1. Right value. Very simple. 4x square plus B is 1x plus 1. It is your answer. Okay. So I think all the questions are easy. Okay. So you can do all other parts also. And its example also try yourself. Example number 5. Don't do. It is not in your syllabus. So example number 1. Example 2, 3, 4. Example 2, 3, 4. Your homework. Homework. Example 2, 3 and 4. Okay, it's very simple. And if you have any problem, I will send you one PDF also. You can take the help from the PDF. Otherwise, you can ask me also. Everyone, okay. And be prepared, be regular in your study, dear. Don't be think school. There is no chances to open the schools. Okay, so online classes you have to. Every day you have to take. Okay. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.